If you recently updated your Samsung Galaxy phone to One UI 7, you probably noticed the sleek new interface, smoother animations, and powerful Galaxy AI tools. But there's one big problem users are talking about: the battery life. Yes, One UI 7, based on Android 15, has started rolling out since April 2025, and while it brings some exciting new features like the Now bar and enhanced animations, it's also brought an unwelcome surprise: battery drain. Reports are flooding in from Galaxy users, especially those on the S24, S25, and Samsung's foldable devices, saying their battery is draining faster than ever. Some users are calling it excessive, noticing their phone can't even make it through a normal day without reaching for a charger. So, what's going on? Well, it seems these new features, particularly the AI enhancements, are putting extra stress on the system. Combine that with unoptimized software, and you've got a perfect storm for power consumption issues. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the issue just yet, but there's strong reason to believe they're listening. User complaints have been piling up on Samsung's community forums, and it looks like the company is already working behind the scenes to find a solution. According to inside sources and reports, a fix is expected with the May 2025 update. This patch is rumored to directly address the bugs causing the excessive battery usage, giving users the battery life they were used to before the update. So if you're struggling to keep your phone powered through the day, hang tight. Help may be on the way. In the meantime, you can reduce battery drain by disabling background AI features, lowering screen brightness, and keeping animations to a minimum. It's not ideal, but these steps can buy you time until Samsung rolls out the proper fix. Stay tuned for updates. And if you're experiencing these issues yourself, drop a comment and let others know. You're not alone, and a better battery life might just be around the corner. How to save your Galaxy's battery. Try these practical steps to boost your Galaxy's battery life. These tips focus on the S25 series, but work for S24, foldables, and others. They counter One UI 7's resource-heavy features effectively. Number 1. Turn on adaptive battery protection. One UI 7's adaptive battery protection pauses charging at 80% during sleep, resuming later. Go to Settings, Battery or Battery Protection. Adaptive Mode. This reduces strain and background power use. Number 2. Use Power Saving Mode. Power Saving Mode limits CPU speed and brightness. Customize it to keep Wi-Fi or 5G. Navigate to Settings. Set Battery. Guardian Power Saving Mode. It tackles One UI 7's animation and AI drain. Number 3. Switch to Light Performance Profile. The S25 series offers a light performance profile, reducing CPU, GPU load. Find it in Settings, Device Care. Performance Profile. Light. This saves power from One UI 7's demanding visuals. Number 4. Enable Dark Mode. Dark mode saves power on AMOLED screens. One UI 7's vibrant UI benefits from it. Go to Settings and Display. Dark. This reduces the drain from Now bar and new icons. Number 5. Disable Always On Display. Always On Display, AOD, consumes power with One UI 7's lock screen features. Turn it off via Settings, Lock Screen, and AOD. Or schedule it to save battery during downtime. Also, try this one. Clear One UI Home Cache. Corrupted cache from One UI 7's interface can also increase battery drain. Clear it at Settings, Apps, One UI Home, Storage. Clear cache. Restart your phone to optimize performance. One UI 7's battery drain is frustrating, but these steps can help. From adaptive battery protection to dark mode, small changes make a difference. Samsung is working on a solution, with fixes likely in May 2025. Hit like button and subscribe.